Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about the WordPress CMS, how we can do the installation of WordPress CMS. So first, what is WordPress? WordPress is a CMS that is called Content Management System, and it is based on PHP and MySQL. PHP is a server-side programming language and MySQL is a database. So to run the WordPress, first of all we need a server. So for example, I am using the Mac operating system. So I have installed the MAM server in my system. So now we are going to see how we can install the WordPress CMS in our system. So first of all, we need to download the WordPress CMS from the official website of the WordPress, which is wordpress.org. So when we go there, you can see there is a download WordPress 5.0.3. This is the latest one. I have already downloaded it, so I'm just taking this folder and putting this folder in my htdocs, mam htdocs. Oh, the folder is already there, so I'm just skipping it. You can see the folder is there. Let me go there. This is the folder. I'm creating one more folder, WordPress installation. So my folder name is WordPress installation. I'm just keeping this zip folder inside it and extracting it. So I have extracted the zip folder here. So the 5 point and the folder name is WordPress. So now I'm just going to open this folder in the localhost. So I'm using the MAM server, so I need to start my server. So our server is already started. You can see here we are getting the option to stop the server, and after that we can just type localhost colon 8888 is my port number, and you can see the WordPress installation folder is here. I'm just clicking on the WordPress installation folder, and then you can see the WordPress is the folder. So I'm just clicking on the WordPress. So this is the first page in which we need to choose the language. So let's say I'm choosing the English. I want to install in English language. You can choose any other languages also. Then we just need to click on the continue. So what we need to do is we need to, before welcome to WordPress, before getting started, we need some information on the database. So we need to enter this detail, the database name, database username, password, host name. So in my case, my database MySQL port number is this 8889. The username is root, password is root, and host is localhost. So I'm just opening the PHP myadmin, which is localhost colon 8888, and I'm just creating a database. So let's say my database name is same, this WordPress installation only. So I'm just copying this and pasting it here, and you can see this is my folder. This is my database WordPress installation. So we can just click on let's go. Here we need to use the database name. Database name is WordPress installation. Username, in my username is root, password is root. So I can just write root and root. And database host is localhost, and the prefix. So if you want to add the table prefix WP underscore before every table, so you can use the table prefix, and then I'm just clicking on submit. Okay, all right. So the installation is ready now. So I can just click on the run the installation because the WordPress is successfully connected with my database MySQL. Now I just need to click on run the installation. So now once I run the installation, we are having this page in which we can put the site title. So let's say my site title is WordPress. Username, I want the admin. Password is also admin. I want a weak password, and then I can just enter my email ID. Let me enter my email ID, and I can click on install WordPress. And then WordPress has been installed. So the username is admin and the password which I have chosen, my password is admin I have chosen. I'm clicking on login, and we can just enter your username and password, which is admin and admin, and then remember me login. So guys, you can see this is the administrator section. This is also called the backend of the WordPress. So I have successfully installed the WordPress in my system. So this is the backend. If you want to see the front end, you can just type this in the URL. So this is the front end. So this is the front end. It means if someone is visiting in our website, they can see this page. And if you want to add anything in the website, like if you want to create a menus or if you want to create a pages, articles, then we can just log in the administrator with the help of the username and password and click on login, and then we will get this administrative section. Okay friends, so we have successfully installed the WordPress in our system. Thank you very much.